What's up, YouTube? If you guys are wondering why I have this cup, well, today we're gonna do another DIY video. I haven't done like a DIY since like, what, 3 months or 2 months? So anyways, we're gonna make some slime. Not some organic, like big giant slime, but like, you know, a mini slime. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this mini slime. So first, you get some shampoo. Hopefully this one will do. And then you squeeze it 2 times. 1, 2, not too much. And after, you want to put a little bit of toothpaste. Not a big amount, but like a small amount. So let's just put it a little bit. Don't squeeze it too tight, not too much. There we go. Alright, let me put a little more. Next, you want to stir it. You gotta give it a really good stir. So there you go, like this. And hopefully, I think it takes like about a minute or 2 just to stir. Okay, so at this sign, we're gonna have to put a little bit more toothpaste, so that way it can add more effect. So far, it looks like it's working. Okay, guys, I've been stirring for like 5 minutes, so this should do. Okay, the next step you want to do is, oh, it smells nice. Okay, I'm getting distracted. The next step is to put this in the freezer and check it for 10 minutes. And if it's soft, then you're gonna have to do it more. You're gonna have to wait until like another 50 minutes. So basically just wait for 60 minutes. So let me just put this in the freezer. And then, well, let's just wait an hour. Okay, it's been an hour. So now it's like completely, well, not completely, but it's like kind of frozen a little bit. Wait, did we mess up? Oh no. Wait, I think wait. Ooh, it's kind of cold. Ooh. Okay, I think I made some other type of slime. Ah, it's cold, it's cold. Look at it. It's like icy. Oh my god, this is some icy slime. Okay, I guess we gotta soften it out a little bit. So let's just take some time just to soften it. Oh no, I got out my shorts, no! No, the floor! Okay, let's just pour this and let's just watch it slowly go down. Look at it. Oh, look at this. Look at that, isn't that cool? Wow, just look at this, like look at this. It's like slimy, like ooh, it's kind of cool too at the same time. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna be playing with this slime for a little bit. It's pretty, ooh, it's cold slimy at the same time. Oh, here's another drop. And as always, stay productive.